there's a lot of accelerator programs in the market. We're pretty determined, have been and always will be, to do this differently.
No matter what industry and sector you're in, logistics is affecting the way that you do business. Our role here at RocketSpace is to being that middleware, helping the best corporations of the world in logistics and helping the best startups of the world in logistics find an opportunity to create better value for their customers and for each other by partnering.
There are a lot of corporates right here, and I think it will be a great opportunity to show our product, show where we stand today, how far we come, and hopefully make them realize that our product is really beneficial for their supply chain.
This is a very unique model because it's not just one corporate sponsor. It is multiple corporate sponsors. There's actually a critical mass.
RocketSpace actually was the first accelerator for logistics, so that makes it really interesting for us.
I'm also, from a Lufthansa cargo point of view, really happy to be here and to have identified pilots not only with Slick, but with all some of the other startups here.
We've designed our program to facilitate real outcomes. Last night, our founding partner and one of our startups were actually putting together the framework for a joint venture to go to market with new services. This is one of the big values of RocketSpace. Our brand and our methodology and history with these industries allows us to go out and recruit the best of the best companies.
Uber was there, Spotify, some other European founders that we knew about. It just has the right proven track record.
The thing that attracted us to the RocketSpace Accelerator program is that you don't have to give any equity, so that's the first.
Startups don't actually have to uproot, so if you're in Tel Aviv, if you're in Beijing, if you're in Berlin, it really doesn't matter.
The curriculum period was, I think, very interesting for us. One of the things that I thought that RocketSpace did well was they structured it around a proof of concept or a pilot, as opposed to genetic mentoring.
To be able to define the scope during this period and be able to pilot and test it is so awesome.
This is our idea, this is our vision, this is our dream, and then pretty much face it together with the reality from an industry sector and see where's the common path.
It's also a stage agnostic program, and we were a little further along as a startup. And the fact that it was stage agnostic, well thought out, and focused on logistics, we couldn't turn it down.
The big question today is why have we decided to found this program? If we really believe in the open innovation concept, this kind of program is a key factor.
And so at the conclusion of this, we bring a great set of corporations, investors, industry people together and allow our startups and our corporate partners to come together on stage and talk about all the great work that they've done.
We've already seen a flood of applications already come in to be part of this next cohort for the Future Logistics program. So this is just the beginning of how we at RocketSpace will continue to drive the future logistics.